All right, everybody, this is my video explanation of today's assignment. Sorry I couldn't be here, so hopefully this helps explain things. You are going to be working on this Peapod Direct Excel file. Peapod is Giant's, basically you can order things online and have it delivered to your house. Obviously not really ordering things, but you are going to make a list, a grocery list for a week's worth of groceries. You are in personal finance, so this is like a real life activity. I would like you to do this as if you are shopping for either yourself, like let's say you're older, you've moved out, you're in your own apartment, you're buying for one, right? Or you could try to plan a week's worth of food for your current family, which might be easier, I don't know, so you can choose. You can either do yourself or your current family situation. So on the main landing page here, Business Ed 82A, that's you guys. Come down here and you've got this Excel file. Open that up. And you are going to have to copy it to Excel and then save a copy to be able to type on it. So you have to copy it to Excel. You probably still won't be able to type on it, and then you have to save it to your OneDrive to make it actual usable. I'm on a desktop or a laptop, so I can download it. Open it up. This is Excel. This is a little bit confusing, but hopefully I can explain what you're looking at. So you've got all the days of the week going there, right? All across the top. Don't tell me you don't eat breakfast. That would not be healthy. You need to eat breakfast. Even if you don't, pretend like you do for the purpose of this project. So you're going to tell me, in short, what are you going to have? So I usually eat a granola bar and apple, right? I actually eat that pretty much every day. So I would most likely type that in there for every day. On Saturday, though, I usually make bacon and eggs for my family. I'm not going to type granola bar into all these, but you should, all right, just for the sake of this. So I've got my breakfast plan, lunch, you're going to go through. I usually have like turkey. I'm only going to do a little bit, chips, something like that. And then you need to plan the rest of your lunches. And then your dinners, right? So maybe I'm going to have chicken and biscuits, which actually I am having tonight. I'm quite the chef. You kids don't know that, but chicken and biscuits there. Now let's say out here on Friday, I plan on having grilled chicken. I only need to buy one package of chicken. I don't need to buy a package of chicken for Monday and a package of chicken for Friday. You need to think about what comes in each package and how much you would need for the week. So you fill in this whole top section up here, right, with your meals. After you do that, you're going to have to come down here and fill in the prices. So let's say I'm getting my chicken, right? How do I know how much it costs? Right, well, I need to go to Peapod Direct. Now, you can go to Google and search it, or this link should work for you. Go to Peapod Direct. You do not have an account. You're a home customer. Your zip. Interestingly enough, a lot of kids don't know your own zip code. I guess I'm 17015. A lot of you might be 17013. Either way, doesn't really matter. 15, there it is. Start shopping. Get started. And then on here, these are the deals, right? You can look and see if there's any kind of deals that can help you out. I like to go just to browse aisles, though. It's like you're actually kind of walking through the grocery store. All right, we got new arrivals, blah, 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 everything you could ever want. I'm looking for chicken. That's meat. Let it load up here. Hopefully, there it goes. Here we go. Well, I got my categories here. Chicken. A lot of clicking just for chicken. Not sure why this is going so slow. So, right here, I've got giant chicken breast, cutlets, boneless, skinless, thin, sliced, 4 count. That works for me. There's other kinds, like organic, it's more expensive. Whatever, you can look, see what makes sense. But if you remember back to my Excel sheet, which one is it? That one. I've got chicken on Monday, and I've got chicken on Friday. So, I'm going to need at least this, right? Chicken for Monday, chicken for Friday. If I'm doing it for myself, that would still be enough. For family, that might be pushing it, might not quite be enough. So I might look at a bigger package that has a little bit more, like this one, right? If I'm buying for a family, I might be looking for a little bit more chicken. A lot of talk about chicken. So you pick your chicken. I'm just going to go with this one, say I'm buying for myself, $4.49. Bring it on back. So right there, $4.49 for my chicken. And then so on and so forth, right? Deli, I'm getting turkey, so I'm going to have to go to the deli. I'm not going to go look for it right now. You could do that for yours, and I have to put in the price of my turkey. So hopefully you get the idea, and in the end, we add up our total. The idea behind this whole thing is to see how much it costs for a week's worth of groceries. If you're single, right, and eating responsibly, probably looking at $50 to $75 for the week. If you're a family, like I'm a family of 4, I'm probably around 90 to 130. I know that kind of varies, but definitely varies on what you're eating and some other things that you're getting at the grocery store. So, do the best you can. Right? Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what it costs for groceries. Some real life, personal finance stuff.